What's going on, van enthusiasts? Today we're going to restore the front end of this 1997 GMC Safari. We're going to polish these headlights and we're going to replace the other covers. We're also going to repaint this grille black and clear coat it. As you can tell, these lights are pretty sorry looking, so I'm going to put in some LEDs. Safari and Astro vans either use composite headlamps or sealed beam headlamps. Here we have composite headlamps. The sealed beams look like this. These are super easy to work with. To remove this headlamp, take out the 10mm on this side, and then you have 3 10mm to loosen up, and that's all there is to it. To disconnect the connectors, you either unclip or twist off. To get the bottom parking light off, loosen up 2 Phillips heads. Now the replacement pair for these, it's about 32 bucks. And the replacement pair for the corner lights is about 12 bucks. To get the grill off, we have 4 7mm bolts. And right there. This magnetic tool really helps. And there you have it. The headlamps are still in good condition, so all we're gonna do is polish them up. First, we clean them up with Super Clean, distilled 5-to-1. And then using the DA and Headlight Restorer, do a couple passes. What you're looking at here is the before and the after. The before is kind of hazy, and the after, somewhat of an improvement. You can see the haze. There's still some rock pits, which could have came out with some sanding, but I think this looks good already. The grill has been washed with dish soap, sanded with 320. We're masked, we're ready to go. I could tell that this grill was chrome. The original finish was beautiful. So original owner, if you're watching this, man, why'd you gotta do that? Now we get rid of this cover by popping out the push pin with push pin pliers. And then it just slides off. Now we're ready to paint. Don't forget your PPE. Now I was gonna go with chrome or gloss black. And I made a test piece with gloss black and chrome. And the chrome didn't amaze me that much, so I'll just stick with the gloss black. I was looking for the GMOE in a spray can, but all the local auto parts stores in my area were out of it. So we're gonna have to try this out. The hygrometer reads 90 degrees with 30% humidity, kind of in the danger zone for painting. I did 3 light coats every 30 minutes and ended up with a decent result. Now we're gonna finish the project by clear coating everything. Clear coat the headlamps, clear coat the grill. 1 can should be enough. Now when you're messing around with this clear coat, you must wear gloves, Tyvek suit, and a respirator. It's a must. It's been 24 hours and the clear coat has fully cured. Now this can started spitting, so it left a bunch of inconsistencies, which you can see in person, but in camera, they look pretty good. Next, I polished the headlamps and the grill with a DA and a yellow rupes pad, coupled with Sonak's Perfect Finish. Top it all off, I used Ethos Pro Ceramic Wax to give it a final coating. Now these letters, they were covered in paint, So using some lacquer thinner and a brush, I was able to make the chrome really stand out. When you put your headlamps back together, make sure you put in this one first. As you can see, I upgraded to LEDs, Scope Park 9006 HB4s. To swap them, you basically pull up on that little tab with the flathead and then twist off and just insert in the new LED. Simple as that. The pair was about $35 on Amazon and it made a huge difference. And here's our final result. For less than $100, I give this van a nice facelift. All I gotta do next is paint that bumper and paint that hood. So till next time, have a good day, you guys.